responding to an incident, investigators and security personnel depend on a variety of tools to collect evidence from the scene. The witness statements and recordings they document from the scene are vital to review events and apprehend suspects. With the Clearance Scene app, you can capture and securely upload digital evidence directly from your phone, allowing other team members to access it quickly. You can assign evidence directly to cases, so information stays organized and can easily be reviewed later on. The app maintains chain of custody from the time evidence is captured and encrypts the data before transferring it to Clearance. All information added from the app is also available for review and can be used to quickly find evidence of interest. Access to evidence is controlled by user permissions, and media can be reviewed directly from a browser without any software to install. Capture your digital evidence from a single app while knowing that your sensitive data is secure.